So this topic is about being able to write an equation and a function that models a real world situation based on kind of a word problem. So in this example, Karen earns $51 each week working part-time at a bookstore. And every book that she sells, she gets an additional dollar. So A is the amount that she earns in a week if she sells B books. So one thing they talk about how to figure out how much she's going to earn in the week by giving examples. So if she sells one book, she's going to get $52. Two books, she'll get 53. Three books, she'll get 54. So every time she sells a number of books, she has to add that on to the $51. And so the number of books was B. So the equation would just be A equals 51 plus B. And then it said, how much would she earn if she sold 13 books? So you're just going to do 51 plus 13 to get $64. Sometimes it's easier to find how much she'll get with the amount given before you write the equation. That's okay. You can do it in any order. So this talks about an amusement park charges an admission fee for $30 for each person. Let C be the cost of admission for P people. Write an equation relating C to P, then use this equation to find the cost of admission for 11 people. So it's $30 per person. So if one person wants to go in, it's going to cost $30. If two people go in, it's going to be $60. If three people go in, it's going to be $90. So if four people go in, it's going to be $120. Looks like we're doing $30 times the number of people. So we would have $30 times the number of people is going to give us the cost. So we will write that in. 30 times P equals C. And then we want to know the cost for 11 people. It's just 30 times 11, which is $330. Okay, we'll look at another example. I think it's good to kind of write out the first few so you can kind of see what you're doing to get them. So a plant is already 42 centimeters tall and it's going to grow 1 centimeter every month. So let H be the plant's height after M months. Write an equation relating to H and M. So the height at 0 months, so that means it's just beginning, is 42 centimeters. At 1 month, it's going to grow 1 centimeter. So it's going to be 42 plus 1, or 43. 2 months, it's going to be 42 plus 2, or 44. 3 months, it's going to be 42 plus 3, which is 45 centimeters. And at 4 months, it's going to be 42 plus 4, or 46. So are you getting an idea of what we're doing here? We are adding the number of months onto the 42 to get the total height. So we can write our equation and say our height equals 42 plus M. And we want to know after 15 months. So I just need to do 42 plus 15. And that's 57 centimeters. Okay, that's the end of the lesson.